Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me to Target so we can check out all of the new home decor for fall 2025. I'm in the middle of a big laundry room renovation right now. We have workers inside, I have trim in the back here, and I'm looking for some new items to style the space. I need a really cute lamp, I need some brass elements, I want some really cute pieces that are going to help tie together the color palette, and I think Target is going to be the perfect place to find affordable finds that will look incredible in the space. So I love going to Target, especially at the start of a new season, to see all of the new items in stores. They always have a lot more online, especially furniture and larger items, so I'll link a lot of my favorite items down below so you guys can shop those as well. But I hope this video gives you some ideas on what you can find next time you're at Target. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And let's go ahead and head to Target. I'm heading right to the home decor section to check out the Hearth and Hand collection. They have a huge fall setup right now. This double brass lamp caught my eye. I think it would look amazing on a desk in like a really moody color room. It would just pop. You can immediately see the fall color palette here. A lot of deep browns and burgundies and greens and golds. It just looks stunning. I love a small ottoman like this. It can add a pop of seasonal color into your space, but a neutral color like this can last long term. Target's a great place to find filler art. If you're looking for small additional pieces around your home, maybe to style bookshelves or small corners of your home, these can be added to gallery walls. They don't have to be the main special attraction to your space, but they can definitely add a timeless and trendy look. I think Target always knows what's trending, what's in style, and a lot of these vintage inspired art pieces are very much in style when it comes to wall art. So there's so many different options here, still arts and landscapes and prints, so many cute pieces. You know what, I usually love a lot of the Target lamps, but this season the Hearth and Hand lamps are a little bit maybe too quirky for me. I think I lean more towards the Studio McGee traditional style lamp. I love that they're usually a tapered lampshade and they really have beautiful, bold, classic bases. So one like this really stands out to me. I love the texture here and I like the tapered lines of it all. It just feels elegant and timeless, something that you'd find at an antique store. And I also really love this pop of green, this small lamp. I love styling lamps of this size on top of countertops, and I like that they have so many different lampshade options here, so you can totally mix and match and create your own style. They have wicker and plaid and gingham and pleated shades. I am actually really preferring this wavy shade. I think it's just something really sweet. That scalloped edge is really cute. So I'm styling this shade with this lamp base, and it's definitely coming home with me because I think this will look really cute styled in our laundry room. I find that the Studio McGee collection has more home decor and Hearth and Hand collection has a lot more dining and kitchen supplies, so dishware and cutlery and all of the essentials, and they always have the cutest pieces. A lot of their dishes have that beautiful, warm, weathered look to them that makes them feel like they've been in your home forever. They don't feel brand new, and I kind of love that about it. I also love this little wooden scoop set. I don't know why I'm thinking this would be great for a stocking. Maybe it's a bit too early, but I think that's such a cute pair. We're really coming into the main hosting season, so you're going to see a lot of cheese platters and charcuterie boards and wood cutting boards, perfect for serving. Also notice the deep walnut brown of all of these accessories. That deep brown is definitely in style this year, and you're going to see it carried out through a ton of decor. Now, I think this is such a versatile thing to have in your home. It's a wall rail with clip hooks. So you can hang your tea towels, you could hang mugs off of this, you could even hang your children's artwork. I think it's something so versatile to use for different reasons. I'm also snagging this brass watering can. I imagined having this in my mudroom, so I think it'd be the perfect piece to hang off of our wall pegs. I always appreciate that the Hearth and Hand collection has so many stylish games for around your home. I love these vintage book game sets. They have all of the games inside and you can style these on your shelves. I have probably 3 or 4 of these. I actually misplaced them in our move, so I might need to purchase them again, but they are the best. They can keep your games out in the open, not hidden away, and it just adds this fun hominess to your home. I've always purchased some of my favorite oversized candles here at Target. I think they're super stylish. They usually smell incredible. This year, they actually have some flameless candles. These are the battery operated candles. I like that they're flameless. So it just eases your mind if you have children or pets or you're hosting a busy night. You don't have to be careful of the flame. And they have a really pretty color. So you can put them in candlestick holders, style them around your home, and it just adds that nice glow. They also have so many beautiful real candles here. A lot of different sizes and colors and shapes. I especially love these huge oversized candles. These would last for so long and would look so good in a large space with tall ceilings. And I'm also snagging one of these match holders. I've been wanting one of these for so long. I'm so happy to see them here at Target. I think they're such a cozy way of lighting a candle. It just feels so real. Plus, I can just keep refilling it over time. It's the perfect thing to style a coffee table. They've thought of everything here for the seasons. They even have a whole section of wrapping supplies, wrapping paper and tags, even this really cute spool of string. Doesn't this remind you of the one that I picked up at the antique store the other day? I think that's really interesting that we're seeing it here, and now I'm so happy I picked those up at the antique store. The fall palette continues into the Studio McGee side here. I'm loving the amount of stone decor pieces they have here. They're so heavy. They feel very significant and expensive, but they're very budget friendly. I like that everything's very sculptural, but then it has so much texture. And this is one of my favorite marbles. I think it's just such a unique color and definitely something that always draws my attention. They also have these really cute kind of architectural pieces. These would be great bookends, a way to style a shelf. So many items that you can add to your space that will just add a lot of texture and warmth. Perfect accent piece for almost every room is a drink table, a little side table like this to go beside a dainty chair. I think they're so slim, they don't take up too much space, and they can be such a moment in your space, especially if they have shape like these. I saw online that Studio McGee launched new peel and stick wallpapers here at Target. There's a few different styles, but a lot of them are actually sold out in stores right now. So this is the one that they have left. It's that block print vintage look. I love that it looks like linen on the background of it, but it just has that really earthy, timeless, classic look. Now I have quite the growing collection of ceramic pumpkins I've collected over the years, but now I'm actually really loving this glass pumpkin. I like that it's hollow inside. You could put a candle or a flameless candle in there and it would just flicker and glow around your home and look really subtle and classic for the season. Well, I would say that was a successful day out shopping at Target. I pretty much found exactly what I was looking for and some other items that I didn't expect to find. So I am very happy with my new lamp. I'm so excited to style it in our laundry room. Can't wait to show you guys how that's all coming together. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram because I'm going to be posting sneak peeks there until the final reveal here on YouTube. So I'm very excited. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!